In this video, we'll walk you through the process of checking your DualSense controller's battery status on a Windows PC. PS5's DualSense controller is also compatible with Windows computers. We will use an app named DS4 Windows to check the PS5 controller's battery level on your PC. Here's how. Download and install the app from the link provided in the description box below. Now, once downloaded, extract the package double-click the DS4 Windows.exe file to run it. Follow the on-screen prompts to specify where you want to save user data and install the necessary drivers. Now connect the DualSense controller to your PC via Bluetooth or USB cable. Under the Controllers tab, you will see your PS5 controller and its battery level in percentage. That's it. Handy trick, right? For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.